The most famous craft beer here in Baguio City is Baguio Craft Brewery. And today, matitikman natin yan. Let's go! Dito mismo sa building na to, dito nila binubrew yung beer. Here, nandito yung brewery itself. Tingnan natin kung pwede tayo sumilip sa loob mismo ng brewery. Nasa top floor yung bar and tasting room. And here on the second floor, nandito yung equipment ng brewing. I don't know if I'm allowed to go inside this place. Probably not. So this is the brewery of Baguio Craft Beer. Huwag tayong pumasok. Baka makontaminate natin yung mga beers. And then yung bar, nandito mismo sa rooftop ng building nila. We are now here at the rooftop. This is the third floor. Tapos you can see panoramic view. And this is the view habang umiinom ka ng craft beers. And then here's the bar. This is the first time I'm gonna taste Baguio craft beer. And it's best tasted here in Baguio mismo. Okay, let's do it. Dito sa Baguio Craft Brewery, bago ka kumuha ng full glass, meron kang free taste. So you get to taste 3 small shots of beers para lang malaman natin kung ano yung bibilihin natin. Imperial Double IPA. This one is very strong. It's 10.5% alcohol by volume. Okay, I think masyado siyang matalim. Hindi siya bagay pang tanghali. It's only 2 PM pa lang. Okay, West Coast IPA. Mas bitter daw siya. Tsaka medyo citrusy ang lasa. Okay, mataas nga yung pait niya. Mataas yung bitterness level. And then, the third one I wanna try, American Wheat. 6% ABV. Thank you. So here we go. I ordered wheat beer. Masarap. It's very refreshing. Aside from the wheat beer, umorder din kami ng strawberry ale. This is strawberry ale kaya medyo mapula siya. Almost like red ale na. Amoy pa lang, syempre amoy strawberry na. It's very sweet, very fruity. It almost tastes like you're drinking strawberry juice. Masarap din. And then this dark one is their porter. Medyo amoy kape siya at saka amoy chocolate. Oh, okay. It's more refreshing than I expected. Usually kapag porter, ang expectation dyan, medyo mapait yung bitterness, mataas ang bitterness sa bibig sa kasalalamunan. This one, it's very refreshing. Hindi siya mahirap inumin. Guys, this is a dream come true for me kasi ang tagal ko lang iniisip na gumawa ng craft beer tour dito sa Baguio. And finally, it happened. I'm so happy na na-discover ko at natikman yung mga craft beers na gawang Baguio. And I'm hoping na sana hindi lang sila dito sa Baguio maging popular. I'm hoping na sana sumikat din sila sa Metro Manila. Makilala at ma-recognize kung gaano kasarap yung mga brewers or yung mga beers dito sa Baguio City. So, that's it. Yun na lang muna. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.